Hey guys, what's up? Today's Monday, August 3rd, and I'm hanging out at the Full Throttle. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Hey, this is Sturgis Full Throttle Saloon 2015.
Michael Ballard's with us back here. Hi, Michael. How are you? Good. Thank you for having us here. I really appreciate it. Jesse, James, Dupree, how are you, sir? Yes, very fantastic. Having a good time. That's all that matters. You want to come on up here? Come on. From Jackal, Thursday night. The best show in town.
Hope that you're making plans to be here Thursday night for the Jackal show. Don't miss it. I'm going to be absolutely fucking amazing. So.
Sturgis 2015.
You should be here.
Get your trophy. Don't leave until we get some shots of your body. We want to put the magazine. So, after we give out the awards,
Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm at the Full Throttle Saloon in Sturgis, and I'm at the micro wrestling. How you say it?
Micro Championship Wrestling.
That's it.
MCW half the size,
twice the violence.
Solution to the dead. And drop kick. Ladies and break it all. Gotta see. Pick them up and slam. Get picks them up. Salute the troop and drop the violence. And Cowboy drops the drop kick. And comes by drops the elbow. Magic. Snapped it, but wow. Heat. And keeps on the wrist. Hit one. Japanese looking for the Cowboy. And a drop kick. He signals the ground. Cross blast. Springboard on the side rope. Says he pulls hair. He has no hair back down. Okay. Slams him. Drop kick over the head. Bulldog. The elbow honey left. Right on it. Drives him up. And drives him to the canvas. He does the atomic elbow. And it's all over. Twist of head by honeycomb. Turn around. Now he won't turn into a power slam.
Welcome to the Full Throttle Saloon 2015, the 75th anniversary.
Sturgis 2015. Woo! Welcome to Full Throttle Sturgis 2015.
Okay, so if I wear this sticker, I might win something?
Yes, they're picking random
What's it say?
SSB.
And who picks people?
Huh?
Who picks people?
I'm not exactly sure.
I'll wear it.
All right, thank you. Welcome to Full Throttle Sturgis 2015.
My name's Nicole. This is Full Throttle Sturgis 2015.
Hey, this is Sturgis Full Throttle Saloon 2015.
So where are we from?
All over.
All over. Are you a special group of some sort here, or?
Yeah, we're the rock stars.
You're the rock stars.
Yes, we do the stage shows. We take
Oh, okay. You have a website?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, we're Full Throttle Saloon.
Oh, Okay, so it's through here.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
My name's Amanda, and come see me at the Topless Bus at Full Throttle.
Woo! Yeah! You go, girl.
Topless bus. Girl stuck on a zip line. I got that on video. She was hanging upside down.
What'd you say? Top that
No, it's not mine.
I'm trying to figure out why is everybody hanging on.
Throttle, 2015 Sturgis, 75th.
Oh, look at that. Who's hiding? Marty, Roadside Marty. How are we doing, brother? You all right?
Minutes 1:15. Red Tech engine sitting here. But if you need to draw your number, I got 30 seconds after. We got a lot of people here. Sugar Bears here going around, you know.
Welcome to Sturgis. Good show. Good show. That's Dad? Nice. I don't even know what to say. That's Dad.
Good. Number 87 right here. Somebody get my prize. All right, our next number. 20. 20. 46. 46. Once. Twice. Yeah, good. You got one back there. That came out. All right, number 10. Oh man, everybody's over here registering. Number 10. Number 10. Oh, that's a good one. Don't worry, bro. Trust me. I've been having my eye on that sexy little blonde all day long.
Tommy. You lost it. You just won a motorcycle.
Where's Jim Austin? All right, Jim Austin going once. Poor guy. Jim Austin. Jim Austin going twice. Jim Austin. Bummer. Sorry, dude. Sorry. He's in the porta john like, hurry up. All right, ready? Here we go. I'll get thrown out of here. All right, Andy. Oh no, Andy, you're bad luck. Let Megan pick it. You know, you already picked a dud. You already picked a dud. Oh, poor guy. He's out of it. All right, here we go.
So Jim Austin won a motorcycle, but he's not here, so somebody else gets it. And where's that motorcycle?
Bo Rod.
Oh, another guy just missed out. What was his name?
Bo something.
So somebody else won and they didn't get the motorcycle. So now they're looking for another one, I guess, huh?
All right. Rod Rohrig.
Rod Rohrig.
Rod Rohrig. Oh, is Rod Rohrig, is that you? Oh, dude. Nice. All right.
He's here.
Hi, buddy. Got stuff in your motorcycle, old boy.
Wow.
Motorcycle except Full Throttle Saloon, given to you by the Horse Magazine, given to you by Twisted Tea. I mean, come on. How great is this? How great is this bar? Yeah, we think we're going to do it again next year. We just might. All right, cool. Everybody give it up for Rod.
He only won because the two people before him weren't here.
All right. Thanks, Billy. Billy from Twisted Tea. Come on, put your hands together. Yeah.
They're going to be on the internet.
Now, coming along here a little bit towards more 4 o'clock.
Oh, kind of sucks to be the
Coming up.
guy that wasn't here.
Real quick here. Michael Ballard's with us back here. Hi, Michael. How are you? Thank you for having us here. I really appreciate it. Jesse James Dupree, how are you, sir? Yes, very fantastic. Having a good time. That's all that matters. You want to come on up here? Come on. Come on up here. There you go. From Jackal, Thursday nights. The best show in town.
Everybody having a great time today, yeah? Only here at the Full Throttle Saloon, and the Backstreet Chopper guys have been incredible. How many years now, Mike? 9? 8 years. 8 years every year, and it grows, and by the looks of things, the bikes just get better and better and better, so we appreciate you guys. Hope that you're making plans to be here Thursday night for the Joggle Show. Don't miss it. I'm going to be absolutely fucking amazing, so. And we appreciate you guys. 75th anniversary, and Pappy Hoyle started a monster. So we're going to announce our winners right here. Okay, I believe you. Anybody identifies this guy?
Don't forget, we're going to start giving away the trophies right now. A special judge guest is coming up here. Are we ready to go? Gary? We're all set. Let's get one and start moving them. Yeah, tell the judges, let's go. Uh-oh. Boy, she's mad. There you go. Here's it. Sure. There you go. Couldn't have been a better hit. Well, I wanted to get my wife and my daughter-in-law, and Chanel and Terry and everybody up here, but I guess we're not doing that right now, so we'll do it in a little while. All right, let's move. I need the judges backstage.
Anyway,
number 17. There he is. Give him a hand. Come on. Not happy that we get sweet shirts. Bingo man, well deserved. And let me remind you, everybody gets a trophy. Don't believe in doing it in shots of your body. We want to put the magazine. So after we give out the awards, meet me, watch the exit there, and we'll get them shot for you.
Okay, moving on to the next guy. Who's next? We're ready. Come on up, Bill. That's right, Bill from Twisted Tea and his pick. There we go.
Next to you, hey, you can't get rid of me. All right, anyway, the bike that I picked real quick, you see matches all next after here. It's rigid brake, man.
This is Irish Red. This bike is awesome. This is awesome. Irish Red. This thing, it is amazing. You're more than welcome.
Is that there we go?
I rub your ass. I just realized, like I said, I'm so committed to getting this done. I'm over here busting your chops. Wait a minute, he's not talking to me.
Deal. I love you to death. Tell us what bike you picked, brother.
I picked a 48 Indian Chief Bobbers.
Waitress bait. Because we take him somewhere and all the waitress want to do is. Well, they want to do him and then we get what's left over. All right. Nate's got a bike out at the liquor exhibit. He's number 14 for sure. Ain't nobody like that for real second one. Oh my God. Oh yeah, give it up for this guy. That's the kind of winner you like to see.
Almost what, 40 years, 500 years? I tell you, he's wrestled with everyone. He's wrestled with the Hulk Hogan. He's wrestled with the Warrior. He's wrestled with a bunch of other ones. For the one and only, Mr. Johnny G. Come on! Come on, make some noise.
Yo, Full Throttle Saloon! Are you ready to play with the MCW Midgets? Alright, my name is Johnny G, owner of Light Road Championship Wrestling, the greatest show on earth. Can you dig it? Alright, we're going to start this show here at the Full Throttle Saloon the same way. And that's by thanking the U.S. military troops for doing such a great job overseas and taking care of business. If it wasn't for them, we would have the freedom to be here today partying. So let's give it up for the U.S. military. That's the Full Throttle Saloon I'm talking about. The #1 biker bar in the world. Are you ready to be your MCW superstars? This first MCW superstar is a legend in the world of professional midget wrestling. He has been a champion in Japan, Germany, Australia, Turkey, Yugoslavia, you name a little country now. He is currently known as the smallest professional athlete in the world today. At 38 inches tall and 75 pounds of pure steel and sex appeal. He is known as the tiniest terror. Give it up for MCW legend, Ballet. 38 inches tall.
day. Apparently they were a lot smarter than the other two DJs we had. Only on top. I actually want to say something. Apparently we got a couple right here, right there. Isn't our rookie backstage also in the military? Why don't you bring him out here and I'll teach you what MCW is?
Let's give it up for Lieutenant Dan! Lieutenant Dan represents the USA. Are you ready for your first match?
Sir, yes, sir.
All right, here we go. Can you make your chest in the ring? Saloon, are you ready? All right, here's how it works. When I say half the size, you say twice the violence, I ring the bell, the midgets beat the shit out of each other. That's how it works. All right? Now you represent the Full Throttle Saloon, and you represent Bike Week. So let's get loud and proud. When I say half the size, you say twice the violence. MCW, half the size? Let's get on! There's Blitz Saloon from Dan. And, drop kick! Right to the family jewels. Check that fires up. Oh! This is with a big shoulder tackle in the corner. And the players are breaking off. The leg sweep. Going to the names. Oh, there we go. They're called my mother to down. Looks like this is better team. Another big clothesline. Look at that fired up. Another three big clotheslines. Blitz is walking. He's really bad. He doesn't know where he is. He's swinging right up. Pick up and slam. Another tag man. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Going to the top rope. Wait, change his mind. Blitz comes around. Again, picks him up. A second slam. Lays a tiny stare down. Again, pump it up. Super kick. After the hit. This might be the Canadian's first win. He says he wants him to a cop. Full Throttle Saloon, you want to stand there with a top rope. He goes to the top rope. Lieutenant Dan says he wants to hear some noise. Saloon gets through and drops a flying elbow. 1, 2, 3. In his first match, give up, represent the USA, Lieutenant Dan! Coming into the ring from downtown Iraq, the Mini Sheets. Dropkicks. He comes in from Dallas, Texas. He's your MCW cowboy. Give it up for Kid Quick. Let's give it to the cowboy, Kid Quick. All right. Full Throttle Saloon, are you ready? All right, you know what we gotta do to get this back started. When I say half the size, you say twice the violence. Loud and proud, represent, guys. MCW, half the size. Let's get on. See? And cowboy drops another drop kick. I'm talking about a cowboy. Really dropping to another cowboy. He goes into seat. 1, 2, 2 count. Too big and too strong. Cowboy trying to stand up. Gets a rope. Look at the speed of the cowboy. Back and forth. And comes right, drops the elbow. And she takes another point for the cowboy. She lines him up. Magic carpet ride by the sheep. He turns around and sets him up for a suplex. Snapped him, but wow! He drove him into the mat. And she does not let go of him. She said, another suplex! And again, how can a man's back take the power? Oh, this is unbelievable. And she says, get it by the cowboy! Old man trying to get the ropes to get up. The sheep on one side, the cowboy on the other. Cowboy, he's on first. She gets up. Drop it in the corner. He takes the sheep, puts it back in the corner. The sheep reverse it. Cowboy's in the corner. She tried to cover right, missed. Hip toss, man. Kid. Japanese arm drag by the cowboy. And a drop kick. This could be it. 1, 2. Oh, 2 counts. Somehow the sheep gets out. Rolls him over. Cowboy sets to the sheep. Drops an elbow right onto the chest. And the sheep coughing up a little bit. Cowboy says you want to see him go up top. Cowboy goes to see him. And the cowboy goes to the top rope. He signals it out. Cross splash. 1, 2. Oh! Unbelievable. The sheep kicks out. I thought it was over for sure. Turns around, and the sheep sticks his thumbs right in the eyes of the cowboy and rakes his eyes. And the sheep picks up the cowboy, gets low, shoots him, ducks the clothesline. Oh, is there? Springboard on the sand rope. 1, 2, 3. Give it for your wheel from Dallas, Texas, the Cowboy, Big Quick! Come! Here's how you go, the biggest rep of the game! $800,000 worth of gold chains. Let's give up for the biggest pivot of the year. Honey, come! And now, the MCW heavyweight champion of the world. He's known as the untraded giant of midget wrestling. He comes here from the windy city of Chicago. He's known as the midget Dawn Metal. He comes to at 4'5" and 300 pounds. He's as tall as he is wide, and that's why we call him Meatball. They beat the shit out of each other. Come on. MCW, half the size? Let's get it on. It looks like how you come. Looks like he's making fun. And Holly comes screaming for his mama. Says he pulls hair, he has no hair. That meatball toss him, a rag doll. Oh yes, run around Chucky doll, black Chucky doll. Slams him in the middle of the ring. This is it. 1, 2, 2 count. Meatball means business. Rolls him across the ring. Like that. Oh, Meatball going in the second gear. Big splash. How he comes out of line. Chucky coming ahead. Bulldog. Lays the champ out in the middle of the ring. Wait a second. He can't roll him over. He cannot roll over 300 pounds of Meatball. He's giving up. What's he doing now? I think he's looking for tools. I have no idea what he's doing. Uh-oh, he's going to get a weapon. And he comes flat on the sheet. And bends it over his head, but that didn't do much to Meatball. Says again and bend that pen over his head, and that one made it work. Meatball goes down, and this Honeycutt knows what he's doing. And again, though, he hasn't figured out this part how to roll him over. And here goes Honeycutt, tries to get some extra momentum off the rope, and hits him. 1, 2, and Meatball throws him off. And Honeycutt rolls him back over, hits the rope. Oh, goes the Huggy Shuffle. This could be trouble for Meatball. Those hips are wiggling. They're popping. Goes for a leg drop. Telegraphs the move. His Meatball sets him up. Whoa, walks across all 300 pounds trying to break Huggy's ribs. Meatball again. All 300 pounds. Using Honeycutt as a doormat. Here comes the Samoan stomp. And 300 pounds of Meatball lands. There can be no more Honey left. Right on the chest. 1, 2. I don't know how Meatball can just let him up. Sets him up. Wait a second. If Meatball lands this on his head, Honey will never breathe again. Oh, thank God, he got his head out of the way. He hit the rope, a drop kick, rolls the big man over. Both guys working their way up. Oh, he gets on top of Meatball. Takes him off the rope, and a reversal by Meatball. DDT! Honeycutt looked like he telegraphed the Meatball was going for the backdrop. Punch in his hip. 2, and again, Meatball rolls right over. And Honeycutt humiliating Meatball right now. The NCAA champion. He throws the Meatball on every ounce of it. Honeycutt back on his feet already. Setting him up. And this is a completely, Honeycutt runs right into the turnbuckle. And listen, I listen to this. Meatball picks up a New York 52nd Street slam, winds him up, and drives him to the canvas. The 900-pound midget hits a rope, does a cartwheel, hits another rope. 1, 2, 3, does the atomic elbow, and it's all over. 1, 2, and Honeycutt kicks out. Meatball can't believe it. People cannot believe it. Shoots him off. He got the clothesline. Holly said he's way too smart for that. Walks right into a choke slam. Twist of fate by Honeycutt. He doesn't recover. 1, 2. Oh, 2.5. Honeycutt just waits for his opportunity. Turn around. Oh, Meatball turns into a power slam. 1, 2, 3. And you win him. And still, MCW Heavyweight Champion of the World, Meatball. Cut that music. Get your cameras out, ladies. This is where Meatball gets that tight 10 S's. He's not bored. The all great guys that ate the seeds off my rock. These are Clearwater, Florida.
Yes, that will be me one day. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for the thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to both channels, paulsot.com and HEBroadcaster.com. I don't get a picture. Damn it. I don't get a picture. Just, oh, there's the cabins.